Hey guys, welcome back to this new video. This is the unboxing cabin. Let's get started. So today we will be unboxing the ONEPLUS Type-C Bullets earphones. So first up, let's get rid of the plastic cover. So now let me give you an overview of the box itself. So on the front top we have the ONEPLUS symbol and an outline image of the earphones with the wording earphones. Let's go ahead and take a look at the back of the box. At the back we have much important specifications like the month and year of import, the maximum retail price, and so on. So without wasting any more time, let's go ahead and unbox the most awaited ONEPLUS Type-C Bullets earphones and see what's there inside. And yes, we are greeted with one box, that is, I'm sure, the earphones, and below that you have the never settle wording. Now let's go ahead and take a look at another angle. It looks pretty well because the packaging is really well done by one. So now let's go ahead and remove the box out of the main box itself, and I'm sure looking at those two buds, those two eyes over there, I'm assuming this is going to be the earpods. Taking a look at another angle, you can notice it's a premium looking box itself. Let's keep it down and go ahead and remove the other box out. And not wasting any more time, this is going to be the earpods. Take a look at another angle. Premium looking stuff. ONEPLUS do pack premium things. Well done. So now let's go ahead and open up this small looking box, and I'm sure by now you must have already come to know that this is going to be the earphone sitting inside. And yes, we are greeted with the paperwork, and I'm sure this is the normal thing you get when you open products. And let's do this step by step. First up, paperwork, and this is the ONEPLUS Never Settle logo. Take a look at another angle. Nice premium looking stuff. Keep it down. Let's open up the box further, and yes, this is gonna be the earphones, and I love it. I love it. It looks very nice and gives me good vibes about this earphones. Let's take a look at another angle. You'll get to see how good it looks. Okay, good. Keep it down and go ahead with the paperwork. As I told you earlier that this is going to be a quick start guide, but let's go ahead and see what it really is. While you open it up, it does look like a quick start guide, but it has a lot of information making it look like a user manual. But leaving it apart, let's go ahead and take another look at the quick start guide. I like the way ONEPLUS does this thing. I like it. So now let's go ahead and open up this plastic cover that wraps around the wire which is hiding inside it. While opening it up, let's go ahead and see how long is the length of the wire. Okay, this seems to be a pretty decent size, and it's gonna do multiple jobs for you. And we have the Type-C and the two earpods over there. ONEPLUS has also provided us the keys, that is the plus and minus, including the pause and play. Great. Take a look at another angle. We have the Type-C and the two wires over here with the keys. Well done by ONEPLUS over here. It gives us another extra assist. So now let's go ahead and open up this tiny looking, cute looking box, and let's see what do we have inside over here. And as I told you earlier, this might be the earbuds, and yes, it is. Mainly they have been sent in case you don't like the default ones, default pair which has already been applied to the earphones. Then you can try this large and small size. Take a look at the sizes. Small and big, perfect for you. Thanks. Hey guys, if you all enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, The Unboxing Cabin. Like this video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to comment your valuable feedback. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.